2 version needs a chain guides tensioner. Alright guys, well we're just going to be fixing stripped bolts because this guy put a lag in here and then this one's stripped here. And we got all of our tap and die and all that. And over here he's threading one in and out right now that we're fixing, and we got all new bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and tap all these and show you what the end results are. Okay, so got everything tapped out, it's all ready to go. Here's all the new hardware minus 1 bolt. This is all the old stuff. It's absolutely fucking ridiculous how all these bolts don't even match each other. So we got the gasket on there, got a nice good amount, not too much of silicone, and we got a thermostat with the O-ring. Basically we're ready to put this all on here. Everything's tapped. We're going to go ahead and bolt it all in. So we got the water pump back on. We're just about ready. We got to put a few hoses on and assemble some stuff. We're going to top it off with coolant, make sure nothing leaks, and we'll get back. Thanks for watching.